All right, students, welcome to Mr. EJ's blog screencast tutorial. So on this tutorial, we're going to do a little tour of some of the features of the blog. The first tour, if you'll follow my cursor here, is the title, Welcome to Mr. EJ's blog, so that you feel welcome every time you come to the blog. The next section to talk about is the goals. You can see that the goals are right here. The goals of the blog are to encourage our classroom community to communicate online, to be a learning resource for students and their parents, and finally to provide a cool place to hang out online for Mr. EJ's students. Okay, now an additional area to talk about is the posting area of the blog. The posting area will always be right down the middle between the left column and the right column. So this is the posting area of the blog. Now, posts take place in chronological order with the newest posts or the most current posts on top and later posts below. So you can see that this post was made on Monday, March 14th, 2011, and subsequent or later posts are located below. For example, this one was made on Tuesday, February 22nd, 2011. So if you're looking for the latest news on Mr. EJ's blog, look in the posting area, which is right on the middle on the top. Now, another thing to talk about with the blog for our blog tour is the page links. So Mr. EJ's blog has a number of different pages that are connected to it. The pages or the subjects for the pages are blog guidelines, how to use this blog, Mr. EJ's bookmarks, math, language arts, science, social studies, students, and videos. Each of these pages has specific information and links so you can find out more about the topic. So let's click on one of these page links. Let's go to blog guidelines. So blog guidelines, this is like rules for using the blog. We'll talk about this throughout the course of the blog introduction. So you can read through this and scroll down. One important thing to notice is that if you want to go back to the home page, this title area, Welcome to Mr. EJ's blog, is a hot link right to the home page. So we've read our blog guidelines, we're done, we want to go back to the home page, we go up here to the title, click on it, it's a link back to the home page, as you can see. Okay, one other thing to notice is that sometimes you're going to go to a page link like videos, for example, and we're going to watch a video that's linked on the video page. Let's go to Introduction to Take a Break. We're going to click on that. Now, sometimes we're going to go outside of the blog page or any of the links themselves. If you want to get back to the blog, you're going to have to go up here and click the Internet Back button to show the previous page. Let's do that. Okay, we're back inside Mr. EJ's blog. Let's go up to our title area to click on the hot link back to the home page. And here we are. Okay, so we're back on the home page. One more feature to talk about is the calendar. So this is the calendar for Mr. EJ's classroom. Here we'll have holidays, important dates, and what the specialist will be for the day. This is always a good spot to check out if you're wondering what's happening at school on a specific day. Going back to the top of the page, as you look through Mr. EJ's blog, you can see there's a number of features. These are called widgets. Widgets are kind of interactive tools that you can use. Some things that I've put on my site Our next adventure, while we introduce and get used to the blog, is to take a look at some of these different widgets and describe their function and how they help us learn throughout our school year. So it's going to be your job to kind of explore those widgets and discover what they're all about. Anyway, thanks a lot for coming along on our blog tour. I hope the blog helps you out and becomes a good place to hang out and learn while in Mr. EJ's classroom. Signing out.